One day, a clever orange cat woke up and put on its blue apron. Carrying a basket, the cat went to the market and bought fresh vegetables. Later, the cat sold those vegetables at a higher price and earned good money. With the money it made, the cat bought food for home and happily returned. At home, the cat washed the vegetables, cooked a delicious meal, and finally sat down to eat. The orange cat smiled, knowing that hard work and smart choices bring happiness.